Today, your students are digital natives who expect instant access to information whenever they need it. The right material in the right form at the right time. For colleges and universities, meeting that need is critical. From admissions to student records, from mail and package services to the print infrastructure, from education analytics to business workflows, making information fluid and shareable can make the difference between a great student experience and an admin headache. At Ricoh, we're known for providing higher education with better record and workflow management, as well as transforming campus mail and admissions operations to meet the needs of changing student behaviors. But that's not all we do. Ricoh delivers innovative teaching and learning technologies to enhance collaboration between students and faculty in physical and virtual classrooms. We make campus IT more efficient and effective. We provide technology to transform the campus experience for students, faculty, and administrators. Ricoh makes information work for higher education.